Emerson offers lots of variety of different schedules to accommodate people's lives and their lifestyles.
As an instrument builder at Emerson, you have a reliable pay structure you can depend on and expect.
The work environment here is very friendly, supportive, and encouraging.
You move from station to station. I mean, that's the best thing that I like about this job. We don't get to be bored. There is nothing like a boring in this job.
By working different locations on that line, I'm learning basically everything that goes into that product.
Here in Emerson, the other benefit is that I enjoy fitness center, cafeteria, which is nice, and on-site training and development.
There is a great recognition program here at Emerson, so your hard work does get recognized.
I actually feel quite appreciated for a lot of the input that I give.
Our management team, our engineering team, they're very good about saying, you've done well.
With the help of Emerson's tuition reimbursement, I was able to go back to school and get my degree in electrical engineering, and I'm now a supplier performance engineer in Emerson.
I love the tuition reimbursement program here at Emerson because it allows me to get a higher education while still working a full-time job.
It changed my life, it changed my earning, and I'm very grateful for this.
Health benefits at Emerson here are amazing. It's affordable. There's nothing else that we could ask for. It definitely provides everything that we need for our family.
One of the things that I appreciate most about Emerson is how Emerson embraces veterans, what they do to make sure that they hire veterans. I'm deeply grateful for what they do.
The benefit package at Emerson is second to none.
One of the reasons why we would stay and continue to stay is the benefit, profit-sharing benefit, and job stability.
There's a process in place. You can make an employee suggestion. You get feedback from that.
Every opinion counts. Every opinion matters.
I am very grateful that Emerson offers different shifts, which gives me time to spend time with my kids and with my grandkids, and that's really important to me, so it doesn't get any better.
We are problem solvers.
Problem solvers.
Problem solvers.
We are driven without compromise.
Without compromise.
Without compromise.
Without compromise.
We are Emerson.
We are Emerson.
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 We are Emerson.
We are Emerson.
We are Emerson.